Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over page 21 notes, function notation, graph/table. Go ahead and add page 21 into your table of contents and I'll give you the page to tape down. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started with page 21. So given the graph of the function, find f of -4. So if we remember back to page 20 notes, we said that the number on the inside of the parentheses, that is our x value. So in this case, x is equal to -4. So what we're going to do, we're going to use the graph and we're going to go over to x equals -4. So I'm going to count over 1, over 2, over 3, over 4, and then I'm going to figure out where my graph touches at -4. So that's the coordinate, -4, which is the x value, we already knew that, comma 2 because it went up 2. So in this case, we're asked to solve for y, and y is equal to 2. So all we're really doing is identifying the point on the graph where x or y are equal to whatever we're given. So let's go ahead and use the graph to find x when f of x is equal to 1. So we don't know what x is equal to. We're going to figure that out. And we know that y is equal to -1. So we're going to go over to the graph. I'm going to go down to y equals -1. And I'm going to find this is where my graph touches -1. And this is where my graph touches -1. So there are 2 points in this situation. For this situation, there was only 1 point where our graph crossed. So we're going to have 2 answers. So this is the coordinate 0.5, about a half, -1, that's my y value. And then the other coordinate over here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and -1. So 5, -1 is my second coordinate. So what I'm looking for are my 2 x values. Let's see if I can. So 5, -1. And I'm looking just at my x values. So that is going to be 0.5. and 5. So there are 2 answers here. 0.5, just my x values, because I already knew that y was equal to -1. So go ahead and pause the video if you need to go over that first example of given a graph, because now we're going to go over the example when we're given a table. So this tells me that x is equal to 0. So I need to go over to the table and I need to find when x is equal to 0. I want to know what that y value is as well. So according to the table, y is equal to 1. So f of 0 is equal to 1. So given a table is actually pretty easy. The coordinates are already given to us. We just need to find the coordinate in the table. Looking at number 8. Find x when f of x is equal to -5. So this is telling us that y is equal to -5, and I need to find that in my table. So here is y equals -5. I want my x value to go along with that. So x is equal to 1. So go ahead and pause this video and rewind it if you need to go over one of the examples one more time.